hits. That's my trick.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to do the 2 lines and the 3 panel thing. So basically I'm just scrolling and trying to show you an example, and here, just watch it. I hope you can see like the 2 lines and how there's 3 different panels. So yeah, this is just a little example. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just scrolling and going back. Just right here I messed up, but I was going to pick a song. But just don't mind this part, I just kind of messed up, so I'll let you watch that for a second. I'm sorry about that. Here's where I actually did what I want to do. You press sound, select a sound, then you select whatever sound you would like. Here's the sound I selected. Then I just went in, and you're gonna hit the little add a video or photo. I messed up there. Now I'm going to pick just a random video of Zoe, and it took me a second. And then here I am adjusting the timestamps and what I want it to be. So yeah, here's that part.
I love men.
And right here is just what I ended up coming out with. And then you just hit continue or whatever that button is. And I'm just gonna wait for that to process. Now that's finally finished, you're gonna hit multi-layer right there. You're gonna click on that, you're gonna click the number 1 button, then you're gonna click on your video or photo, then you're gonna click add mask, you're gonna click on it again, and then you click add mask, then you're gonna click on the shape bar, and then you're gonna find a shape that looks similar to this, and then you're going to hit layer 2, you're gonna click on your video or photo, you're gonna hit add mask after you hit on your layer 2, you're gonna click add mask, shape, then you're going to go on the little 3-line thing, and then you're gonna find the smaller version of that one more to the side. So then you can either use the arrow buttons to make it go the direction you want, or you can just drag it and use the arrow buttons to help adjust it the way you would like, as I like to do it. But either way, it works very well. So I'll let that sit there for a second, and you can watch that. Then we're going in layer 3. We're going to click on the 3 button. Then you're going to click your video or photo. You're going to click add mask, shape. You're going to do the same thing for this one, just on the different side. So I have this little sliver right there that I'm trying to fill out, but that took a while. Now you're just going to hit, you're going to click on the layer you like, and then you're going to go down to the bottom, and you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to hit the color button, and then you're going to search outline fuzzy, and then you're going to just adjust it to how you like it. And it just takes me a while to spell it the way it should be spelled. So after you spell it the right way and click on it, you can adjust it to the liking you want. The farther down you go, the less of it there is. The higher up you go, the more it is. And then you click on the up arrow, the little arrow, and you can adjust the color. The little white circle with the outline, that is to position where the color is in the middle. So that's an easy way to get the color to exactly white. And then I just chose black, and
I think men are the coolest.
there's the line like that. Then you're going to click on layer 3, edit mask. I accidentally messed up there. You'll just click on layer 3, and then you're going to do the same thing over and over again. You're going to do the fuzzy, I forget the name of it right now, but it's something fuzzy. And then you're just going to set it to the amount that you want and the colors you want. And that is how you do it. And I'm just going to show you the video real quick. So right now I'm just going to do I'm going to show the preview, and then I'm going to do a little run through of the video, just so that way you guys can see what it looks like all together. that is the final product. So I hope this helped and I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful evening or day.
Hey, look, without no money.